Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones with an in-depth look at the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a drone that's set to redefine aerial photography and videography in 2025. From groundbreaking new designs to enhanced features, this upcoming release promises to be a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Let's explore what makes this drone one of the most anticipated devices of the year. Redesigned camera housing, a bold new direction. One of the most intriguing leaks about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is its redesigned camera housing. Described as resembling a tennis ball, this unique design choice has sparked widespread discussions. While some have raised concerns about the apparent lack of a mechanism for attaching traditional ND filters, there's speculation that DJI has a compelling reason behind this omission. Could this mean a shift towards a more integrated, seamless solution for light management? Only time will tell, but the design itself already sets the Mavic 4 apart from its predecessors. Sensor upgrades, from 20MP to a staggering 100MP. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature a significant leap in camera resolution, boasting a 100MP main sensor. This is a remarkable upgrade from the 20MP sensor found in the Mavic 3 Pro. Even with pixel binning, which combines data from multiple pixels for enhanced image quality, the Mavic 4 is expected to deliver a sharp 25MP image using a 2x digital zoom crop. This hybrid sensor design aligns with trends in the industry, showcasing DJI's dedication to professional-grade imaging. Unlike some smartphones that achieve high megapixel counts by combining multiple cameras, the Mavic 4's 100MP figure is expected to apply solely to its main sensor. This ensures the drone maintains exceptional clarity and detail, making it ideal for high-resolution photography and videography projects. Changes in focal length, narrower but sharper perspectives. Another notable shift is the rumored change in focal length. The Mavic 4 Pro may feature a 28mm equivalent lens, departing from the 24mm lens used in previous models. While the slightly narrower field of view may reduce distortion, a boon for mapping and cinematic shots, some users might miss the broader perspective. However, this adjustment is complemented by an improved f/2 aperture, which offers superior low-light performance compared to the Mavic 3 Pro's f/2.8 aperture. Combined with a rumored 14-stop dynamic range and dual native ISO, the Mavic 4 Pro is poised to excel in challenging lighting conditions. Variable stepless ND filters, a game-changer. One of the most exciting potential innovations is the introduction of a variable stepless built-in ND filter. This feature could revolutionize drone photography by eliminating the need to land and manually change filters. This functionality would be invaluable for professionals who require rapid adjustments to light conditions during flights. While it remains unclear how this feature would work across multiple cameras, its inclusion could represent a significant leap forward in usability and convenience. Enhanced flight time and range. Moving beyond the camera, the Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature substantial hardware improvements. A 99.5 Wh battery could enable flight times comfortably exceeding 50 minutes, a considerable boost over its predecessors. Additionally, the drone is expected to achieve a range of up to 40 kilometers, supported by DJI's new OcuSync 4 Plus technology and a redesigned controller. These upgrades position the Mavic 4 Pro as a strong contender for long-range operations and extended flight missions. Competitive pricing in the premium market. Pricing for the DJI Mavic 4 series is expected to remain competitive within the premium drone market. According to industry expert Joseph Blake, a base model with a single camera could start at $2,200. The Mavic 4 Pro, likely equipped with additional features, might retail for around $2,800. Meanwhile, the high-end Cine version, designed for professional use, could be priced between $4,000 and $5,000. These figures suggest that while the Mavic 4 represents a significant upgrade, it won't dramatically increase in cost compared to the Mavic 3 series. Release timeline, early 2025. As for the release timeline, a March announcement followed by an April launch seems increasingly likely. If these rumors prove accurate, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro will hit the market just in time for drone enthusiasts and professionals to make the most of its advanced features during the prime spring and summer seasons. Final thoughts: a new era in drone technology. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping into one of DJI's most compelling offerings yet. With its advanced imaging capabilities, improved usability, and competitive pricing, it's set to be a top choice for both enthusiasts and professionals in 2025. From its redesigned camera housing and 100MP main sensor to its variable ND filters and extended flight capabilities, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to deliver an unparalleled experience. Stay tuned to technology in the future for more updates on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro and other groundbreaking tech innovations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest news and reviews on the technology shaping our future. Let us know your thoughts on the Mavic 4 Pro in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions on this exciting new drone.